and welcome to Promised Land Ranch Kitchen. Tonight we've been kind of stuck in the house because of all the bad weather, and we have a roast that's in the crock pot, and I want to make a little bit of cornbread, jalapeno cheese cornbread to go with it. So we're going to do it a little bit different. For my anniversary gift, Monica bought me a Dutch oven, and typically these are used outside, but we're going to try it on our wood stove because it is 13 degrees currently outside, and I am not too excited about going out there at 5:30 at night to cook on an open flame. So we're going to try this a little bit different. So here's what we got to work with. We've got the Dutch oven, we've got some bowls, we have shredded cheese, almond milk. You can of course use regular milk. We got a couple of boxes of the Jiffy corn muffin mix, butter, some of our own jalapenos, duck eggs, and a couple other things. Now, one thing I will say is if this was Monica, it would probably be from scratch, but with me, I'm just going to use the box stuff because I need to get it done, and I need to get it done quick. So I'm just going to throw everything into this and try to get into that Dutch oven as quickly as possible. Also, the recipe will be found in the description, so feel free to give it a try and comment back to us. Let us know how it turns out for you. So with that being said, let's get started. So first we're going to have 4 tablespoons of butter.
Oh, you should get it.
Next, we're going to use about a 1/4 cup of jalapenos, and these are our jalapenos that we've raised and pickled. So we don't want to make it too hot for the kids, so we're going to do it just for flavor. A little bit more than a 1/4 cup won't hurt anybody. We'll put that in the container. We're going to use 2 eggs. Jiffy corn muffin mix. 1 cup of cheese. Everybody likes cheese. 2/3 cup of almond milk or regular milk, or whatever you like or you prefer. You can even do goat milk if you like goat milk. 2/3. Okay, the eggs are mixed up. Everything looks like it's mixed up pretty well. Spread it out and just try to even it out a little bit. This is going to be delicious. I can't wait. I'm getting excited already. I get to use a present that Monica got me for my anniversary, and we're getting to practice just in case we ever have any kind of power outage. We can use our stove, our wood stove, and be able to still cook things. So it's kind of a practice run. We are now ready to get this Dutch oven out onto the wood fireplace. So we're at the fireplace here, and we're going to just set it right up here and let it cook. So I'm going to get we'll get some hot embers and put it on top of the Dutch oven here, and let's see if it works. I'm kind of excited to try it to see if I can cook it like this. I'm sure I can. Just whether getting it at the right time. So I'm gonna put some coals up on the top and watch this thing cook. We'll get to the hot ones. just let it cook. So let's see how long it takes to cook this up, and boy, I'm waiting to try it already. My mouth is watering. All right, so we'll give it a little check here. Oh boy, look at that. That looks delicious. And the toothpick is clean. Woo-hoo! I'm so excited. Woo-hoo. Look at that, dude. That looks good. Yeah, for real, that looks good. All right, so now we're gonna cut it up, slap some butter on that bad boy, and we'll be ready to eat it. Okay, so it looks like on the bottom it got a little bit burnt. So next time I'll probably cook it a little bit less time. But anybody that likes good cornbread, a little bit of crunchy on the bottom, that's alright. It's still good. So let's sample it with a little bit of butter. That's good. I might not even eat meat later. I'm just gonna eat bread. That's good. That's good. Who else wants to try it? Got some right there. Here we go. Man, that's so good.
Why don't you go over there by Sammy?
Wait. That's really good.
Well, it turned out wonderfully. It tastes great. Seems like it's a hit with everybody. So give it a try. Like I said, the recipe will be in the description below. The sampling has been done. It's time to get the food on our plate and get ready to eat. We appreciate you tuning in. Until next time, peace. And I'm not interested in going out and cooking on an open flame. So we're going to make cornbread, and this doesn't even make sense. How many times you want me to stir?
I just want it to be all set. You gotta get the edges left. There's stuff all over the place. Just make sure that the eggs are all mixed in.
The eggs are definitely mixed in.
Okay.
Also, the
Link.
dude, okay. So now it's just a matter of time. That'd have been good to have a watch there at that point in time. I'm going to stir it again because Monica's telling me to stir it again. How can I even talk after that? There's literally nothing I can say after that.